going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just want to give a small little update. Behind me, I got my steps I've been working on. I just made my handrail, so I'm gonna show y'all how I kind of put it together. Still got a couple more things I'm working on with this project. But before I go on, I want to give a shout out to one of my followers, Darin, in West Virginia. What up, Darin? I appreciate my guy called me today, man, and just let me know how what I'm doing is helping him and his movement to better his future with welding and being independent and actually trying to get established in a new city. So just want to give a shout out, man, to anyone who follow me, man. I appreciate it. If I have helped you or motivated you, encouraged you, feel free, man, to give me a shout out. Give me a call, text me. You know, it's all good, man. It's all love. So as long as it's authentic, man, it's love, and you like what I'm doing, I'm motivating you, hey, reach out, man. I'm a down-to-earth guy. So if I have motivated you, hey, reach out and just let me know, man. I appreciate it. So needless to say, let me get back into this project I'm working on. I'm going to show you what I got going. So as you see, still got a couple more things to do, but I made this so that way you can pretty much take it apart. So I'm still working on the kinks of the steps or stairs, however you want to say. So I'm gonna show you how they break down real quick. So this top piece I got in here, it comes out. So as you see how I got this made, it comes out. Then you got my bottom piece, and this one right here slides right in. So I got it. Like I say, the whole thing breaks down. So I'm gonna break the whole thing down. I got you for a second. You see, comes off here and here. So if you just happen to look at it like this, if I was shipping it, it'd be like that. Kind of awkward to do this with one hand, but that's pretty much how I would ship the unit. And like I say, the steps part, the wood, I think I'm gonna do this optional where I can provide the wood and I give a price if a person wants to provide their own wood, and I just make the measurements on the wood planks that they planned on using. So this is what I got going so far. I'm really excited about the project. Like I said, I've been messing with it for a minute, so now still got a few more things I need to work on, but for the most part, pretty much got it. So I'm gonna put it together completely, screw my wood in, have everything lined up, and go from there. But like I say, to those who follow me, man, I appreciate it. Stay focused. If you're in school, keep doing what you're doing, man. I know times get hard. I know things get hard when you got to deal with certain BS. I get it. Remember what you're doing it for.